Imagine earning $300 a day over $100,000 a year without ever showing your face on camera. This is possible right now, thanks to the power of AI and YouTube Shorts. You don't need fancy gear or a film crew, just a good idea and a willingness to learn. A Faceless AI YouTube Shorts channel is all about short, engaging videos under 60 seconds using stock footage, animations, or AI-generated visuals. AI tools handle everything: video ideas, scripts, voiceovers, and even video creation. No need to worry about being on camera or mastering editing software. Short-form video is booming, and YouTube's algorithm loves to push these clips to huge audiences. AI tools are now free and easy to use, letting anyone compete with big creators. Once you set up your process, you can quickly produce videos and scale up. One viral short can explode your subscriber count overnight. Unlike a regular job, your videos keep earning for you long after you post them. This is about building a passive income stream that gives you more freedom. Ready to see how it works? Let's dive in. Here's your blueprint for launching a Faceless AI channel today. Start by picking a niche with a big interested audience. Think psychology, facts, history, or travel. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm dozens of viral shorts ideas instantly. Next, prompt ChatGPT to write a 150-word script for each idea, complete with a hook and call to action. Feed your script into a free AI voice generator. Choose a voice that fits your channel's vibe. Now, create your video using Canva or Veo. Generate AI visuals or use stock footage. Add your voiceover and include animated captions. Keep your videos visually engaging, especially for viewers watching without sound. Optimize your upload craft. A catchy keyword-rich title and description, and add relevant hashtags. Good SEO helps YouTube show your shorts to the right audience. Consistency is key. Post regularly to build momentum. With this system, you can create high-quality content fast, even as a beginner. Now, let's talk about how you actually make money from your channel. The main way to earn is through the YouTube Partner Program. Ads run on your shorts and you get paid for views. You need 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts views in 90 days to qualify, but viral videos make this achievable. Once in, ad revenue becomes a passive stream. Affiliate marketing is another big earner. Promote products in your video descriptions and earn commissions on sales. For example, a tech channel can link to gadgets on Amazon and get paid for every purchase. As your channel grows, brands may offer sponsorships. These can pay hundreds or thousands per video. Put a business email in your channel's About section to attract offers. Here's a simple breakdown. 1 million daily views could earn you $100 from ads, $100 from affiliate sales, and $100 from sponsorships, $300 a day. Multiple income streams make your channel a valuable digital asset. Now, let's see how to work smarter and keep your channel running with minimal effort. Consistency is crucial, but daily video creation can burn you out. Batch your work. Spend a few hours once a week to create and schedule 7 videos. Generate ideas, write scripts, record voiceovers, and edit videos in focused sessions. Use templates in Canva or your editor to speed up production and keep your branding consistent. Repurpose ideas. Turn one topic into multiple shorts by changing visuals or tweaking scripts. The internet always has new viewers, so don't be afraid to reuse content. Schedule uploads in advance so your channel runs on autopilot, even when you're busy. This system lets you manage your channel in just a few hours per week. Focus on efficiency, not just hard work. With batching, templates, and scheduling, you can build a passive income machine. Start today and let AI work for you.